Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to today's webinar on From Prompt to Product Build Your First AI Project Live. Before we begin, just say any hi or s in the chat box so that I know I'm audible and visible clearly. Great, thank you. So, today's session is going to be a bit different. We are not just going to learn concepts, we are actually going to build a real AI project live together. So, nowadays everyone is talking about AI, right? Many of you have used tools like ChatGPT and Claude or Gemini, like that. As I discussed in the last time, we have discussed about AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, all this. But here is the real question. Do you know how to convert a simple prompt into real working application? Just drop anything in the chat box if you know. Okay, I don't get anything. Okay. By this end of the session, you will be able to understand how AI projects work, build your first simple AI powered application, and we'll see the next session on GitHub, Git repositories, how to push your project into the Git. We'll see that. So before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Varshini Bollampalli. I am a student and I work on real-time projects and conducting sessions to help students understand technology in a practical way. We student tech and careers are strongly believe in learning by building, and that's exactly what we are going to do today. So today's agenda is, let me quickly walk you through today's agenda. And first we'll understand what exactly a prompt is and how it becomes a product. Then we'll look at the tools required. After that, we'll move into the most important part, the project live building. Okay, now problem statement. Let me take AI resume builder. It is good for career purposes also, so I took this AI resume builder. Okay, and we'll look into the prompt right now. Let's see the prompt. As I said before, prompt is nothing but it is an instruction you give to an AI model, but a product is something users can interact with. So the flow looks like prompt, AI tool, code, interface, and final product. In the prompt, you need to give the role prompting or no role prompting, whatever you want, but we have the categories in the prompt: no role prompt or role prompt. If you give the role prompt, give the role prompt, act as a developer, act as a web developer, like that, and give the task what you want to do and what is the output you want to get. This is exactly the prompt works for the AI tools. Today we will follow this exact flow step by step. Okay, alright, enough theory this. Let's start building. Okay, the prompt, see, look at the prompt now. Act as a developer and build a smart resume generated application that creates professional resources based on your user input. As I actually said, the system through the user inputs, the AI resume is built, right? So we need the user inputs, and that's what the system should also need. It should ask the user inputs, where it will type the right on the right side, so that it will be good for resume building. See, it should ask full name, contact information, career, educational qualifications, technical skills and soft skills, work experience, all these projects is the main thing, certifications and achievements, and multiple templates like that. It will give that all those. And ensure proper alignment, we should give the prompt like that also, right? Ensuring the prompt alignment, all those. See, all those are too much important. And nowadays the companies recruit the fellow members through this resume only, so we should give the first impression through the resume only. So the resume should be built in such a way that the interviewer gets impressed by your resume in the first time itself. And we need to add the advanced features, suggest improvements for career objective using AI. Using AI, it should ask the it should suggest the career objective also, and all those keywords optimizations for job roles and etc. And UI requirements, simple responsive interface. As we are building the resume, the UI should be simple, right? So it is most important that it to be too much simple, as it is a career one and professional resume, right? So it should be simple and neat and professional. Next, tech stack, whatever you want to use for front end and back end, you can ask those, no problem. You can use whatever you want. And output, it should be professional. The resume should be professional and downloadable PDF, as the resume need to get exported for us, so it should be mentioned. And it should be clean and readable input. That's it for the prompt. And if you want the prompt, just comment in the chat box, so that I will give the prompt and you can build that in the right now session. Okay, if you want to build, I will give the prompt. Please say yes, so that I will give the prompt. Yeah, I send the prompt. Please build it right now, so that you can tag us in the LinkedIn, Student Tech and Careers, and Varshini Bollampalli and Varshini Bugani. You can tag us through this live demo of the project. And let's get into the building of the project. So I wanted to use the VS Code also, but I have few problems, so I couldn't use the VS Code. So I wanted to use the anti-gravity, but I will show the demo of, if anyone are using VS Code, I will show the demo of that also. See, at the right side you will get a Copilot agent, where you can add the prompt in that, and it will build the all your folders, structure, whatever you want, it will build it through prompt. AI is going to build you a folder structure and all those. Now let's get into the anti-gravity. In the Chrome, if you type anti-gravity, it will directly download. And for the Windows, you can go for Windows. Mac also it is available. Now let's create a folder, webinar 2, and we'll try to open that in the anti-gravity right now. Now we'll open it, and it's asked for sign in and all this. The anti-gravity UI structure is exactly same as the VS Code itself, so no need to worry. And at the right side you will be getting an agent, where if you type the prompt, it will get generated or executed. See, now let's open the folder right now, and you'll get it into it. So let's type the prompt which I discussed earlier. We'll type it, AI resume builder prompt, and we'll send it to it, and see, it's generating. It will generate, don't worry. And it will ask for the run. It will ask some few commands. We need to respond for those commands, that's it. And it will generate front end, back end, whatever you want, it will generate, no problem at all. It just takes time, a few time. Please be patient, as it is the AI tool, it takes time than the manual power. This tool works little bit faster. That's why AI tools are important for this building of the projects. Okay, we need to use the AI tools for building the projects, and AI projects are really useful for your resume building also. No need to worry. AI projects can be built for these things. Okay, see, it gives the implementation plan, all those. Okay, it will give the implementation plan, all. See, it is going to do like this, it will be going to do like that. So it gives all those things, and I think it is better for us to do that way. And see, it will give, see, it is giving the implementation plan, where it is asking for us to proceed with the implementation plan. And let's go into it deeper. Let's get into it deeper. And it's going to build the project. Okay, yeah, it is running and generating. See, it is asking for a command, run. We need to proceed all those things. It is going through it. See, it has built the front end and back end, where in the back end it will give the node modules, all those, and in the front end also it will be giving the node modules, all those things for the UI structure, and SRC public, the JSX files of the registration, educational qualification, experience, all those things, career objective things, all those separate files of JSX is generated. Through that, it will give the separate pages for the resume building, and we need to accept those codes, that's it. after the total building of this, we'll look into the live demo of the project. And I just wanted to create a run.bat file for this. And see, you can look into the demo which is given by the Dawn, See, you can see the preview, right? It is not done by me, it is done by the DOM application. See, you can see the resume builder, smart resume with all those personal information. The email, if I type it, the left side, it is showing on the right side. So the resume building works like that. Personal information, all those, and objective, everything, and educational qualifications also on the right side. You can add whatever you want, 10th into and +1, all those, BTech queries, and all also skills are very important, not only about Python, Java, all those. You can add the full stack development skills also, React, Node and Angular, those are also important. And nowadays companies are recruiting the people through those qualifications and skills only, so be practical. So let's stop that and see, it is giving all this. Just will see into it this. See, it is giving all those previews also. So okay, we have completed this AI resume builder, and I wanted to show you my project of lung cancer detection using ensemble algorithm, which is an healthcare based application. This is a simple project, and I just wanted to showcase you the project, that's it. There is nothing into it, and it is not deployed, right? I didn't deploy my project. It is a simple one. I have done it previous year, and the datasets which I took is from Kaggle, and the datasets are trained actually before only, and again I did my training and testing all those, so no need to worry about that. It is important that whichever the datasets I took are not official, those are unofficial. We should not take such type of datasets. I just took it for simple project, right? That's why I took it from Kaggle. And if you are working on the real-time project, if you are going to deploy your project, you need to take the real datasets from the hospitals, and you can ask about their CT scans, all those conditions and all those. You can try it out. See, I have created my run.bat file for this project also, and it is running all those packages. It is easy for us to do like that, so I created that one, and I am opening the project, and I have used 3 models: random forest, CNN and SVM. These three are also mentioned in that packages, and I think SVM is going to be great in this project. Let's open into it. Yeah, you can see how my UI works, and we have created patient portal, doctor portal, and a chat box on the right side, and UI features, and I have added the universal qualifications also, English, Telugu, Hindi, and I have included the dashboard right in the navigation bar. That is the thing where I have included all my models, where it works, how much percentage it works, all those things I have included that one. And I would like to show you the console of this code, I mean the code of this UI, and it will look, see the navigation bar, chat box, when I click onto it, all it is showing it. You can check out in that, like that, how your project works. You can check into it, no problem, there is no problem into it. And let's log in into the patient portal. We'll see, we should apply the all those conditions and consent form, and upload the x-ray or CT scan, whatever you want. You can upload, and it will show few questionnaires. And see, I have shown you right this how my model works, like that. That is the dashboard navigation bar. Now let's upload the scans, and few questionnaire is being able to do. And data is filtered out. Yes, it is filtered out, abnormal, normal. I have took it from Kaggle, right? So it is filtered out. If you are taking the real data set, you need to do that work, filtering out, or you can do it normally also. And it shows the abnormal, stage 4, which stage prediction also, and how much of the accuracy the result is giving, and the risk analysis, is it high, medium, low, like that. And now how my model works, those one for the particular scan. And you can see at the down also. And yeah, it is, we can also take the data sets from Hugging Faces also. And Hugging Face I have mentioned in the last class, right? Hugging Face, where all the models are present, you can use different types of models, and it is better for you, better using Hugging Faces. Now in this we have used particularly 3 models, right? You can use multiple models in the Hugging Face, it is too good. And let's see here, the abnormal region of the cancer, it shows for the patient report, and it is good like that. And let's get into the doctor portal also. Let's go home page, and I have shown you before itself, right? You can ask few questions in the chat box, I mean not the chat box, chat bot also. And in the doctor portal, if you see in the previous one we have done, right? That is the pending review, and the doctor gives the review here, and it will be submitted, and the patient will get the doctor review report also. This is how the total of this project works, and it is simple one. No need to worry about the data sets and all those. It is a simple one. Yes, it is a simple one. And yeah, many of you are asking, yeah, it is the cancer detection project. Yeah, we have it already, but don't worry, this, I don't think so, the doctor analysis one is not there, but it is for good only. This is just a simple project, right? That's why we can use it. I'm just showcasing, that's it. And you can connect to our team, guys, the WhatsApp community channel and LinkedIn. Take a screenshot of this and you can connect over here with our team, Student Tech and Careers. We can clarify your doubts, and we'll look forward for the next session on Git, how to push your projects live into the Git. And many of you have asked what is the difference between the Git and GitHub. Yeah, Git is a tool, I mean GitHub is a platform, and Git is how you push your projects into live into the GitHub. That's it. And connect us here, co-founder and founder Varshini Buggana and Varshini Bollampalli, co-founder. You can connect us, guys. Connect over here, and we'll look forward into the next session. Take a screenshot of this, and thank you so much for this. And attendance form is posted in the chat box, guys. Please respond to that, and we'll be sharing you the feedback form through via mail. And the participants who have participated till end of the session will also get the certifications. And please fill out the attendance form so that you can get your certifications. And we'll post this video in the YouTube, so we'll give this all links in the through mail. Yeah, automations if possible. Yeah, not, I can't say it clearly, because I should check out all those feedbacks, right? So we'll look into all the feedbacks and we'll let you know what is our next session. Will come up little bit late because many of them are having semester exams, right? And semester exams, so we'll look into it in the May. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for this patient listening. Thank you so much.